Hi, so today I'll be talking about a data visualization I made showcasing how the performance of students on the MathE online platform, which is an online learning platform for math from the European Union, how the performance of students can change by what country they're from or what topics or subtopics of questions they attempt and what difficulty of questions they attempt. So on the x-axis we have, you can see in this graph, we have the country. On the y-axis we have the percentage of answers that they attempted that they got correct. You can filter by basic and advanced question difficulty, and if you here it's set to none, so if you just want to see the countries, if you click all, you can see all the results broken down by the topic, and the countries are broken down by color. If you choose a specific topic, then you can see the values broken down by the subtopic. So first thing that I noticed was students in Slovenia seem to be significantly having an easier time on this platform and getting a lot more correct answers than their peers in these other European countries. They got 69% of their answers correct roughly, while a lot of these countries they're only getting about 45% correct. Romania, on the other, also stands out a bit with 58% correct. This might hint that there's like some educational practices in play relating specifically to math educations that could lead to better outcomes uh, for students. Um, Another thing I noticed was that the performance of students can vary greatly whether they're attempting basic or advanced level questions. So the most egregious example of this is probably the performance of Russian students in linear algebra specifically. So you can see that when you select all types of questions in linear algebra, Russian students perform the best compared to their peers. However, when you choose basic, their performance doesn't change at all. So I think in this data set, all the questions that they got correct might only be of the basic difficulty level for linear algebra, because when you filter just by advanced, their bar completely disappears. So it's 0% of advanced level linear algebra questions that they got correct, that they attempted, if they attempted any, which we can't really see. Um, but so it implies that either linear algebra education in the Russian Federation is either only focused on basics and they don't practice really difficult linear algebra questions, or it might be just an anomaly in the data set. It does have 9,500 responses, but you might need a bigger sample size or like further research to really look more into this discrepancy. In terms of the data, it was sourced from the UC Irvine machine learning repository, and it's just a static multivariable data set. And in terms of processing, all I've really done is just change the separator in the CSV from a semicolon to a comma. Thank you.